Hello dear student, how are you today? Today in Unit 3 Lesson 3 we are going to talk about another tense in English language which is past continuous. Let's get started. At the beginning, let me show you what's the use of past continuous or when we use past continuous. We use past continuous for actions that was in progress at a specific point in the past. Or we can say we use past continuous for focusing on an action that continued for a long time in the past. Look here, we have three different times. We have past, now, and future. When we say past continuous, we mean that something that continued in the past for a period of time. And also here we have some common expressions that we use them with the past continuous. For example, we say yesterday and something ago. For example, we can say 2 weeks ago, 2 months ago, 2 days ago, or 3 years ago. And last something. For example, we can say last week or last night or last year. And then we have past dates. For example, when we say 2000 and 2010, 2006. Now let's take a look at some examples, what they are doing. I was playing badminton at this time yesterday. At this time yesterday. She was cycling at 9 a.m. yesterday. She was cycling at 9 a.m. yesterday. They were playing tennis last night. Playing tennis last night. These are in past continuous tense. So now let me show you what are the forms of past continuous. The positive form. This the general rule of past continuous. At the beginning we have subject and then we have the verb to be. I mean the past form of verb to be was and were. And then we have verb ing. We use generally was is used with the singular pronouns. One subject. It was is usually used with the pronouns like I, she, he, and it. And were is used with the plural pronouns, more than one subject. But the pronoun you is an exception. We have examples. I was riding. Here we have verb to be was, and then we have verb ing. I was riding a horse last week. Another example. They were dancing last night. Were dancing last night. Another example. We were doing exercise yesterday. We were doing exercise yesterday. When we add ing to the verb, we have some spelling rule that we have to know them. Look at the first one. Verbs ending in and e, such like take, make. When we add ing to these verbs, we remove e and then we add ing. Look at this example. I was taking photos. I was taking photos. And she was making lunch. Making lunch. We remove e and then we add ed. The second one. One syllable ending in consonant preceded by a vowel. When we add ing, we double the consonant letter. Look at these examples. Seat. We have vowel consonant letter. Get, run, swim. When we add ing to these kind of verbs, we double the consonant letter. I mean, we double the last letter. Look at this example. I was sitting in the classroom. It was getting late. You were running too fast. They were swimming in the pool. Let's come back to the forms. How can we negate past continuous? We just add not to the verb to be. We have subject at the beginning, and then we have was or were, and then we add not. Then we have verb ing. Look at this example. I was not playing volleyball. And also you can use the contraction form of their negative one. We can say I wasn't playing volleyball. You were not drinking juice. You can say you weren't drinking juice. He wasn't sleeping late. These are the negative form of the past continuous. What about the question form? How can we make the question form of past continuous? We just move was and were and put at the beginning or at the initial of the sentence, and then we have subject and then we have verb ing. But be careful, we have question mark at the end of the sentence. Examples. Was she swimming in the river? You can answer this question in a short way. We have short answer here. We can say yes, she was, and no, she wasn't. Another example. Was it growing? You can answer. You can say yes, it was, no, it wasn't. Another example. Were they studying English? You can answer. You can say yes, they were, no, they weren't. And also we have WH question verbs. You put them at the beginning before verb to be, and then we have verb to be, then subject, and then we have verb ing. You can say when were you studying English, or we can say where were you studying English, or what time were you studying English. Here we have an important note that we have to know it. Do not use the past continuous with the state verbs. They describe a state, not an action. Look. Like, love, want, belong, remember, forget, hate, prefer, need, understand, believe. These are state verbs that we cannot add ing to these kind of verbs. I mean, we cannot use them with the past continuous tense. Look at this example. They are wrong. We cannot say we were loving pizza and she was needing a friend. I was understanding the lesson. Let's correct them. We have to say we love pizza. She needs a friend, or she needs a friend, sorry. I understand the lesson. Summary. I mean, what did we learn today? What have we learned today? We use past continuous for actions that was in progress at a specific or at a particular point in the past. This is the general rule of past continuous. We have subject and then we have verb to be. I mean the past form of verb to be was and were, and then we have verb ing. We have examples. The positive one. She was reading last night. We can negate it by adding not to the verb to be. We can say she wasn't reading last night. And the question one is that was she reading last night? And question again, WH question, we can say when was she reading? Or where was she reading? And that's all. Thanks for watching and listening.